So over here, if I were to go around and double click on Microsoft Edge, then you can see that the default page that actually opens up is the Bing.com. If I want to go around and change that out and open something else, then I can easily do that by clicking on the three dot button right here and by going into settings. So once you go around over here, you can go around onto the left hand side right here and then go around onto startup page settings. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto start, home and new tabs. And over here, once I go around, then you can go around over here and see when it starts. So right now it opens one of these pages right here, Bing. You can also open tabs from previous session as well. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around and go to Wikipedia right here, right now it is set to open tabs from previous session. So if I were to go around over here and then close and then double click this out right here, then it opens up the previous tabs itself, as you can see. You can also open the new tab page right here, and once you do that, what happens is that it opens the new tab page right over here, just like this from Microsoft. Let me just go around over here onto the settings right here and close this out, and I'm going to go around over here onto start, home and new tabs and open one of these pages right here. So once I go around over here, I can also go around and add a new page. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say www.wikipedia.org right here and click on add. And now I'm going to go around and delete this out right here. And now it opens out this page as I start Microsoft Edge. So if I were to go around and close and double click on Microsoft Edge, and now you can see that it opens up wikipedia.org. So that is how you can work around with startup page setup inside of Microsoft Edge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.